Okay, this is the first quiz for chapter 5. So I ask you to refer to textbook 76 until 80 to answer the quiz. The whole quiz is about the part of circle. So the quiz will ask you to determine the center, the diameter, the radius, the circumference, the arc, sector, and segment. Okay, so first question I remember is I ask you to determine the center. Okay, to determine the center. So center will be the fixed point for you to draw the circle. So the fixed point is here, the center. Okay, in the middle, or another way we can say the center is the middle point for your circle. So this is a center, so point O, or you just state O. Okay, so and then the question asks you, okay, determine the diameter, the radius. Okay, diameter and radius. Okay, diameter and radius is a straight line. So diameter is the straight line you draw across the whole circle and touching your center. This is a diameter. So that means GOC, or we can say another way is COG is the diameter. Sometimes we can skip the point in middle. We can say CG or GC only. Okay, so the diameter is this line, GC or CG. Okay, so and then the radius is the straight line also, but we draw start by the center, go to the side. Okay, go to the side. Okay, so OA is the radius, OB, OC, OG is the radius. Okay, radius. Okay, after determine the radius, I ask you to determine the circumference. I said either one is circumference. Which one? I say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, or A to A. Okay? So you must know and always remember the circumference is a curved line. It's the curved line we draw for the whole turn. Okay? Whole turn. So that means if I say only A, B, C, D, E, F, G until G, we not yet complete the whole turn. So the answer should be A point to A point. Okay, so we must say A to A because only A until A is complete the whole turn. Okay, so the answer should be A to A, but not A, B, C, D until G because until G is not complete the whole turn yet. Okay, the next question asking you to determine the arc. We have AB, MN, DE, and DF. Okay, so arc is another curved line, but this curved line is not yet complete the whole turn, just apart from a circumference. The arc is apart from a circumference, so the arc will be the curved line. So you can say AB is a curved line. So the answer should be AB. And then another option given is M and N. M and N is a region. Okay, refer to the region. So now your answer. And also D, F, and DE. I remember the another option. So DE and DF is a straight line, so not your answer. So the answer should be the line, the curved line, AB. Okay, remember circumference and arc is referred to the curved line. Okay, after they ask you to determine the chord. Okay, the chord. The chord actually is a line, is a straight line, draw across a circle, but not touching the center. So remember, the chord is a straight line. We draw across the circle, but not touching the center. So we have two answers here. We can say DF is a chord. Another answer is DE is a chord. Okay, straight line, draw across the circle, but not touching your center. So the next two questions is asking you to determine the sector and segment. So sector and segment actually is referred to the region, area, region. Okay, sector is a region or area covered by two radius and arc. Segment is a region or area covered by a chord and a arc. Okay, we go back to the diagram. Okay, the sector is the region covered by 2 radius and a arc. So 2 radius and a arc. So that means the region I label as M is your sector. So region M is the sector. Okay, then segment. Segment is the region or area covered by a chord and a arc. So chord and arc. Okay, so this is a segment. Remember, a segment is covered by chord and arc. So this is a segment. Okay, so N is a segment. And as you see, compared with the whole circle, the segment N is only very small part. So this small part we call it as minor segment. Okay, then the whole circle, this unshaded region here, we call it as major segment. Sector also same. This is a small sector here, so we call it as minor sector. Then another part here is called as major sector. So this is a 2 last question. So what is a major sector? So option 1, 2, and 3. So only option 2 is referred for the sector, and I shaded the major part here. The larger part is referred to major sector. The unshaded part here is very small. This is called as minor sector. Okay, then segment also same. Segment, major segment. So the answer should be option 3. Okay, option 3. So minor segment is a small segment. Okay, major segment will be the large segment. Okay, so that's all for this video.